Hi, I'm going to quickly run through the new Submit Learner Data service with you. This service is currently in MVS, Minimal Viable Service, so not all functions you are used to are part of this service. You will see the ILR submission, the EAS submission, ESF supplementary data, error validation reports, business reports, and period end reports. More reports will be released in the coming months. Initially, there will be no history in the service. The only history will be what you have submitted through the service. From R01, the new service will be the only way to submit your data. So let's start. I'm currently using test data to demonstrate the service to you. First, I will log in and submit an ILR file. I'm going to go to Submit Learner Data Beta, or one word, .fast.org.uk. The new service is called Submit Learner Data, and this is the first page you will see. You will use your current IDAMS login. I'm using a test account. The landing page for providers is all about what they came to do. So you can either upload your ILR, Individualised Learner Records data, upload an EAS, your earnings adjustment statement, upload ESF, European Social Fund supplementary data, or download your reports. First, I will demonstrate the ILR submission. Here you can choose which return period you're looking for. You can see on this page that you are told about your last submission, and if you wish, you can go straight to view details. But at this time, I'm just going to submit an ILR. Throughout the service, you have quick access to the support desk details, as well as useful content on Gov.uk. At this stage, some errors are caught early and shown on screen. For example, you can see here that I uploaded an ILR file with a wrong date and time. Other such errors will also be included here, such as malformed files and incorrect file name format. This allows you to correct your file at this stage. You will see a holding screen while the file is checked for errors. If the file has some errors or warnings, you are interrupted at this stage so you can fix the errors. You can also download your error validation report. If you are not concerned about your errors and warnings, you can submit the file anyway. If you do not submit your file at this stage, it won't be processed for payment. Once submitted, you will get a confirmation page. 2 emails are sent at this stage, one to tell you that the file has been submitted for processing, and then one once the business reports are ready to view. From this page, you can also go straight to view reports or submit your next data return. For now, let's submit our EAS. You can get back to the What Do You Want to Do page so you can choose your next action. The journey for EAS is similar to the ILR flow, however there is not an interruption stage. The validation report for EAS is surfaced at the end of the journey with the business reports. This is the same for ESF also. For both EAS and ESF, you will get emails as well as a confirmation page. All confirmation pages contain a reference. This is for internal purposes, as this is the job ID. We can now take a look at the reports page. The reports page contains a submission history for the last 3 periods, filters for the different collections, as well as a reports history tab, which will eventually go back 4 years. Providers can download the file they submitted as well as business reports. All the available reports are contained in the zip file. Once the period is closed, you will also see your period end reports on this page as a download.